What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Hope y'all are having a great weekend. I know it has been a long time since I have done a video. It's been like 5 or 6 weeks. I can't even remember right now. We're in the process of buying a new house, so hence why I have been absent. Anyways, I wanted to show y'all a really good way how to maybe speed up some time on interior detailing or maybe spruce up the interior. I know I'm a fan of these. A lot of people use these, different heads, different types, different colors, different stiffness, all that stuff. Okay, cool. Alright, so I don't want to talk about that. This is my sister's newly used, new to her Honda CR-V. And being a good big brother that I am, I told her, hey, I'll help you out and I'll get the whole thing dialed in for you. Well, the interior's not horrible, but these are pretty soiled, and it's gray, so I'm going to try to spruce these up. I would say this method works for like medium to light soiled, nothing super heavy. And I'm going to use an APC 10:1, and then I'm going to use my Griot's G6 with a Lake Country white microfiber pad on there. Now this is new. I want y'all to see it. Very new. Alright, nice and fluffy and everything, and we're about to get it dirty. Now if you use these and like I do on for polishing paint and cutting paint and all that stuff, and then you're about to throw these away, well, this is a good way to repurpose them, I guess, if you want to say that. So this method may not be for everybody, but I am enjoying the results, especially when you got a big flat surface and then you got a whole seat. This definitely helps out in a way. I know detailing brushes are good. These are awesome. I love these. But when you're wanting to cover a big area and you're not wanting to, you know, just keep scrubbing away and wearing yourself out, well, this is a good way. So, anyways, without further ado, get into business. I'm going to hit it with some APC, put a little APC in the pad. We got a nice little soil spot right here. I think y'all can see that. I'm going to hit that with a nice little bit of APC, get that in there. And then, alright, there we go. And I'm going to put it on like speed 3. Sorry for bumping the camera. Put it on like speed 3.5, 4, and just work it. And once I turn the power on, it would be nice if I had turned the power on, right? You're gonna have to forgive me for like 10 seconds. I gotta make sure I plug it in. See, if I wasn't recording a video, everything would go perfectly planned. But obviously, when you make a YouTube video, something's got to go wrong, right? Okay. Sorry about that delay with the power cord, but anyways, alright, and then if you want to, if you put too much APC down or whatever, you know, just go ahead and, you know, mop up after yourself if you need to, if you got some areas too damp or anything. But anyway, see, that little spot even came out, look at that. Now, I know it's hard to see gray, and I'm not trying to do any funny business or anything like that, but they are way, well, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit, way better. See, and that spot's gone, right there. That was that little spot y'all saw earlier. So let me zoom out. Woo! Out landed. Alright, there we go. Alright, so anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway in the next video or two. So stay tuned and y'all will know what it's about. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. And sorry about the delay. I'm going to try to pump out some more videos. Love y'all. Take it easy.